Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is the simple idea of taking your own advice. Think about your own advice, hear your own words. If you're not sure, ask a few people that know you. What's the most common advice that you give? Sometimes you'll be surprised by that, like, oh, that's what you think is most important or most frequent. I thought it was this other thing. That's pretty fun exercise in and of itself. I found that sometimes I think that I'm emphasizing one thing the most, and students will tell me, actually, you're kind of emphasizing this more. And that's not bad or good. It's just uh, allows me insight into the differences between what I expected to be the case and what is received. Anyway, take your own advice. If you're given advice, actually take it. Take it more deeply. Take it into more places. Take it to the next step. If that's your advice, what would that mean? If that's your advice, what's the next step? If we create a glider, next we create an airplane, then we create a jet plane, then we create a rocket. What's the next? Speaking of planes, so push your advice to the next level. Right? Grow. Use that advice as the springboard to the next great advice, human growth, understanding, development, and therefore the arts, continued growth. Thank you, thank you. Please stick around. I ask for contributions, likes, subscribes, financial contributions, shares, all that kind of stuff. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Join us on patreon.com/somedayfarm, please.